Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at some Majorette Pinder cars. These cars are based on a real circus that was founded in the UK by the Pinder brothers and was then called the Bretagne Circus. They moved to France over 100 years ago and then renamed it to Le Cirque Pinder. This is the most recent gift pack, to my knowledge at least. There's also 5-packs and singles. These singles are from 2015 and 2016. The gift pack I was able to buy in 2017 for €28, and now you can still find them in mostly French toy stores for about €35. At the end of the video I will show some older releases, but first let's take a look at this gift pack. Maybe we can take a look at the back. There's just kind of a list of everything that is in there, but you can see that in the front, so it doesn't make much sense to me. Let's put this to the side. There's mostly trucks and vans in this gift pack, also in the 5-packs, because that's the kind of vehicles they use, of course, being a circus. So we have the VW Amarok with the opening hood or bonnet, 1:65 scale. It's got suspension, of course. It's got this little cover here on the back of the bed, and it's got the trailer hitch that slides in and out. Very nice graphics. Got the lion emblem there and the clown here. Next up we got the Renault Kangoo. So, visit the zoo, it says. Kangoo Express. This is in 1/64 scale. It's got a lion standing up, or a tiger at least, standing up on the roof. This one should have an opening part also. Yep. So the gate in the back opens up. Big gate. And this also has suspension, of course. And we get to the bigger van, the Renault Master. 1/66 scale. It does have suspension, but okay, you have to press a little bit harder to make it go down. Also got the nice graphics. This one does not have an opening part. And then we got the very well known Mercedes-Benz Zitros with the very well working crane, as I have shown on several other videos. I mean, got the trailer hitch also, some detail in the front. This one does not have the scale on it. It does have a little bit suspension, but just to make for a smooth ride, not really to be able to press it down. And we got some trailer combinations. So this is the Dacia Duster, yeah. This is in 1/64 scale. It's got the suspension. This also has an opening part at the tailgate that opens up. Maybe I can do it like this. Yeah, there you go. And then we got a trailer that is already pretty old in design. I think I have one of these in my childhood collection, but not with a cage on it. There's a line in there. Nowadays the Pinder circus does not have wild animals anymore. So there's no more wild animals in their shows. Another trailer set. It's a Renault Trafic this time, with a trailer that serves as a kind of a cash register. This one's got the sliding side door. There you go. So it's got different deco on this side and the other side. I think that's cool. They don't do that on all of them, but this one does. Same with the trailer here. Different deco on this side and on the other side. Very cool. Got some French written on it. Afternoon show and evening show. And then we get to the rigs with the trailers. I think these are in 1/100 scale, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, they are. So this is the MAN-TGX. So they come off sideways, like I've shown before. So this has a partially metal base. Got some suspension again to make for a smooth ride, just like the COE also has. Doors don't open in the back. Same on this side. 3 axles. Nice trailer. Maybe you want to see the pin, the shape of it, like that. So you have to put it in sideways. Nice one. And then you also have this tank trailer. So this is the same vehicle, different trailer, only 2 axles on the trailer. So this is a plastic, the gray part is plastic, the red is metal. So there's more metal on this trailer than it was on the other one. So this is all metal here. So a lot of metal on this one. So there's some animals in there, but the circus doesn't have those anymore, so not really interesting to show those. This is an older one. It's the older one I have mint. It's a ice cream truck. It's got a built-in awning you can pull out like that. It's all metal. Got very nice decorations, but it's on the top where you can see it is from the Pinder Circus. It says fourgon, it means van in French. 1/67 scale. So this base is used for a lot of different vehicles. I think the RV also has this base. This is a very cool ice cream truck. Love it. Very nice one. Now we've got some beat up ones. This is the Toyota 4Runner. Don't have a lot of versions of the 4Runner. This is one of only two I have. Also metal on metal. Here it's just called Toyota Runner, 1/58 scale. Then next up we got the Dépanneuse, the tow truck, 1/62 scale, but the towing piece in the back has gone. Some horses on this side, or on this side too. Then we got the Land Rover 90, the Defender short version, 1/60 scale. This one has the line on the hood, bonnet. Still has the plastic door in the back. And then we've got this Chevy Blazer or GMC Jimmy. This is a 1/58 scale if I can read it right. Also has suspension, but more used to make it, you know, flexible to go off-road. A lot of deco on this one. The plastic window in the rear has broken off. And then the last combination I want to show you does not have the Pinder name on it, but it is in yellow and it is a circus theme. So the vehicle is also called fourgon, van, but it's a different style of van, also an American style van, but not licensed. 1/65 scale, metal on metal. Got the plastic opening doors in the back. And then we got the Caravan Résidentiel, residential caravan or camper trailer. It's got lots of opening parts. This door opens up, and you got this moonroof here that opens up, and then this big window here in the back also opens up. Got two axles, so it kinda can stand on its own without a vehicle in front of it. This door is missing. Happens a lot on these. It's got a lot of detail inside and out, but of course it's all plastic, just a partially metal base, and it's also in 1/100 scale. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.